everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to redeem a Fortnite gift card. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the fortnite.com/vboxcard in a web browser. Then after that, simply click on the yellow button in the center of the screen named as Get Started. If you don't have an Epic Games account or you have been playing as a nameless account on console, you will need to create one. Make sure you are using the correct account. It will be difficult to get a refund if you make a mistake. After you log in, simply continue with the process. So after that, carefully scratch off the back of your V-Bucks card to avoid damage and enter your PIN code with no dashes and click next. Then simply select the platform you want to redeem the V-Bucks card on and then click next. Now review the details and make sure the Epic account, device and new balance are all correct and then click confirm. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.